Hello everyone, today we're reviewing the GMKtec EVO-X2 mini PC, and before you make a choice on your next powerhouse computer, you need to watch this. We've done comprehensive research on this groundbreaking AI mini PC, and I'll share everything you need to know. The best price link is in the description below, so you've clicked to learn about the EVO-X2's price, performance, and whether it's right for your specific needs. We'll evaluate its gaming capabilities, AI processing power, and overall value. Let's dive right in and get started. The GMKtec EVO-X2 absolutely redefines what's possible in a mini PC. With its revolutionary AMD Ryzen AI MAX plus 395 processor, this isn't just another compact computer, it's the most powerful x86 APU currently available, featuring 16 Zen 5 CPU cores that boost up to 5.1 GHz, and an incredible 32 threads thanks to AMD's simultaneous multi-threading technology. The standout feature is undoubtedly its 50+ peak AI TOPS XDNA2 NPU, making this an exceptional choice for professionals working with AI applications, content creators, and serious gamers who demand desktop-level performance in a compact form factor. What truly sets this mini PC apart is its AMD Radeon 8060S integrated GPU with 40 RDNA 3.5 compute units. This graphics powerhouse positions itself between an RTX 4060 and 4070 laptop GPU, delivering remarkable gaming performance at FHD resolution with maximum settings in even the most demanding titles. Additionally, the GPU can utilize the full 64 GB memory pool, which means you can comfortably run large language models like DeepSeek 32B locally. MeanMoBCCCS integrated GPU with 40 RDNA 3.5 compute units. The memory configuration is equally impressive with 8-channel LPDDR5X running at blazing speeds up to 8000 mt/s. This represents a 1.5x speed improvement over DDR5 SODMs, translating to 90% better performance in video conferencing and photo editing tasks, and 30% gains in general productivity applications. For content creators and multitaskers, the quad-screen support is outstanding. You can output to 8K at 60 Hz via HDMI 2.1, 4K at 60 Hz through DisplayPort 1.4, and leverage dual USB 4 ports with 40 Gbps transfer speeds. Connectivity options are future-proof with Wi-Fi 7 support, delivering theoretical throughput up to 46 Gbps. That's 4.8x faster than Wi-Fi 6 and 13x faster than Wi-Fi 5. The 2.5 GB Ethernet port enables professional applications like network-attached storage, soft routing, and firewall configurations. Furthermore, Bluetooth 5.4 ensures stable connections to multiple wireless peripherals simultaneously. The cooling solution deserves special mention with its triple fan configuration, dual turbo CPU fans plus a dedicated DDR5/SSD cooling fan, maintaining whisper quiet operation at just 35 dB in quiet mode. The system features 3 advanced heat pipes and 360-degree airflow design, keeping temperatures optimal even under heavy loads. Moreover, the 13 RGB lighting modes add a customizable aesthetic touch that gaming enthusiasts will appreciate. Performance flexibility comes through 3 distinct operating modes accessible via a dedicated button: quiet mode at 54W for everyday tasks, balanced mode at 85W for moderate workloads, and performance mode at 140W for maximum power. The ability to unlock up to 96 GB VRAM through AMD software opens unprecedented possibilities for AI workloads and high-resolution gaming. However, one notable downside is the 3.8 rating on Amazon, which suggests some users have experienced issues. At $1,499.99, the price point may also be steep for budget-conscious buyers, though the cutting-edge specifications arguably justify the premium for those who need this level of performance. You got it. So that's it for the best AI-powered mini PC on the market for this year. Like this video if it helped, comment if you're gonna buy it or share your impressions, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews.